In this lesson, we're going to look at some constants in Swift. Just like variables in our previous lesson, Swift uses let to define constants, followed by the name of the constant, and finally the assignable data type. Let's have some examples. When I type in let, Swift recognizes I'm trying to use let, and when I press enter, it will ask for the name. In this case, I'll give it the name of A and the value of 0. So again, this is an integer, and I'll declare another variable, A. This time I'll give it the name of B and assign it the value of 1. So since these are mathematical terms, I can do some mathematical expression. So A plus B should be 1. But the only difference between variables and constants is that constants are immutable, meaning they are not able to change throughout the code. So if I were to change the value of A and give it a different value, Swift will give me an error saying that A is a constant and it cannot assign a different value to it. Otherwise, they are all the same. Besides that, naming and declaring variables, they are the same in Swift, except constants are not able to change. In our next lesson, we're going to talk further about data types.